What's up, guys? Vulcan Trader here. Just want to point out something I found. I don't know if I'm going to buy any of these or not, but either way, it's a good play if you got some cash. I don't really have that much at the moment, but the China stocks basically seem to be bottoming from what I can tell. Just looking at a weekly chart here, we got weekly RSI really low. They seem to be slowing down as far as the fall rate, if that makes any sense. And like weekly chart, for example, like let's see, we got not this one. What's Bowsen? No. Well, that one's going up. That's not one I'd buy. Where's it? Vips, yeah. So like one like this one. So this one here looks to be bottom. Like if it breaks the high of this week or something, next week, then I'd buy it right there. If you look, so that's the weekly chart. If you look at the daily chart, something like that. But seems to be possibly bottoming. You got 10-cent music group. Let's go back to the weekly chart though. Yeah, see this one went all the way down. It's going sideways, and if it breaks up right here, same thing. We got CLPS. This one's a little bit more speculative penny stock. But you got to be careful with China companies because I don't know. I'd say 1/4 of them are frauds as far as their balance sheet, their accounting practices, all that kind of stuff. So it's be diversified. You're going to buy some of these, maybe buy some bigger, more well-known ones. But anyway, like let's see, Vips was one that was a big winner back in some years past. Baidu obviously is legit company. So Baidu seems to be bottoming here on the weekly. So it's breaking this is the 10 week, which is the 50-day moving average, is essentially, or so. On the Alibaba's too big. I don't like buying that big of stocks. But if you wanted a bigger cap one, Alibaba, same thing. Weibo, it looks all right, but let's see. Young top. Sorry, kids screaming in the background here. S Fun, no, okay, yeah, no, okay, here we go. Here's a perfect one. So RSI like that. This is like tons of red, starting to turn green. Didn't undercut the low yet though, so potentially could, if it you could put a limit order right there at 59.23 if it hits it. That actually might be a very good entry, but it might not hit that. But if you look here it looks like it might already be turned around. So you got the sideways pattern breaking up here. But At Home is a well-known China one that's a little bit bigger, not as risky possibly. But then again, you got Luckin Coffee that was pretty much a fraud and about the same size. So you never know. But like I said, be careful with these. Be diversified if you're going to do it, but they do all look very good. Like they had a big crash and they're bottoming. But yeah, so YY is another. So YY, At Home, I'm going to set Baidu. Yeah, those would probably be the 3 picks out of this list here. And then as far as they look terrible if you're looking at them, but to me it looks good actually. It's a huge crash. And on the weekly chart, but it looks like they're reversing if you look at the daily here, possibly. And then you get these China education ones, and I don't know if something happened with this one. I feel like they're one of those ones like Luckin Coffee that it was just doing so awesome. The numbers they're putting out, it was unbelievable. Like right here or something, or right here. So I don't know. You might want to look. It used to be GSX, used to be the ticker, but it's Gautu now. But if there's not something crazy like Luckin Coffee where they're giving out fraudulent numbers, in my mind, this is a really good pattern to buy right here as this turns up. Maybe breaks the high of this week or next week if it breaks this high, the high of whatever this current week once Monday rolls around. And then same thing on EDU. These are all Chinese education stocks. This one, same thing. Weekly RSI really low, and then if it breaks the high of this week, same thing on Tao. So those are kind of one. Maybe YY, Baidu. What was the other one I said? At Home. Yeah, maybe those 3 plus maybe some of the education ones if you wanted to try and buy the dip on the crash on these China stocks. I think they all look pretty good to get into. Maybe I'll buy some later, but at the moment I'm kind of pretty invested when I'm at. Maybe I'll change my mind, but if you got some cash and you want to buy something good, I think these might be a good play as long as you stay across maybe all those names I listed, so a little less risky. case some of them are fraud or something. But anyway, that's it. Like, subscribe, and give me a comment. If you know anything about these, let me know.